How to change your age on TikTok. So if you want to change your age on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. On your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on report a problem. Under report a problem, you need to select an option of account and profile. Go with the drop down on the account and profile, and here you need to go with manage account. Once you tap on it, then it might take you to this kind of interface. You can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with, and it might take you to report a problem page. You can go with no, which is on the bottom right, and tap on need more help, and it will take you to report a problem page or TikTok help desk. If it takes you to report a problem page, then you just need simply type your problem like hello TikTok team, I want to change my date of birth, please help me, and also attach your profile screenshots. And after that, send the report. Or if it takes you to the TikTok help desk, then you just need simply send the same message, and it will guide you on how you can change your date of birth. So that's the only way to change your age on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.